Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, fairly tight look at the daily chart on the ES, and we drew these ovals the other day, and they're still valid. You've got the middle band and double fibs on the upside. You've got the lower band and double fibs on the downside. We have touched the lower band in the overnight trade, 62.75. We've bounced a little bit here. We've done as high as 71.5 in the overnight. Here's where we are. There isn't going to be a vote on a clean CR. They can demand and they can do whatever they want, but the Democrats can demand what they want. The Republicans aren't going to do it, and I think it's probably a good idea because I don't think it'll pass. And if it doesn't pass, you don't want to be long that. You'll see a real move down if that doesn't pass, because that would be indicative that then you'll see in black and white that the government really doesn't function. So I'm going to be looking for a retest of lows today. A lot of people are looking for the market to kind of dump out here and send a message. I'm in that camp. My concern is there are a lot of people looking for that. And that tends to get people a little bit, gets that short bus a little too full. I expect to still have some fairly significant violent rallies in this market. That's what downtrending markets do. You get these short covering rallies, but as long as we're trading between the middle band and the lower band, you have to sell those rallies. You need to sell the rally on Friday. You need to sell the rally yesterday. So full disclosure, I'm flat. We did sell the close yesterday, but we covered that last night down. I took the rest off. I got stopped out at 66.25. So I'm just going to wait and see kind of how we open today. I would expect that this up move that we're seeing right now is going to get faded back a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and see if the bulls can take out 71.5 this morning. If they can, then maybe they can go ahead and grind it higher up through the course of the day. But all of this is dependent on the news, and you've got to be aware of what's going on. Like I've been saying since this started, you have to use stops. Does it mean you'll get stopped out more often than you normally would? Yes. Does it mean that your risk is controlled in case there's a deal, or in case some huge negative news bomb hits? Yes, and that's what's important. The ability to control your risk and have an account tomorrow outweighs making money right now. Take what the market gives you, take your profits, move on to the next trade. If we cannot take out 71.5 this morning, I would expect that we make new lows, that we test this 38% retracement area here down at 1660.5. If that breaks through, then it really does open up the 100-day exponential moving average down at 1650 with 1654 as minor support along the way. So if the market gets angry today, if the market does want to send that message that so many people are looking for, then I'm looking for 60, 54, and 50. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Come check out the website, Princetontrader.com. A lot of people are subscribing to the website because then they get the webcasts and they get the pivots earlier than everybody else does, and they don't have to mess around with their Twitter feed. So if you go on the homepage of the website, along the left side border there's a place to put in your email, and it's a much more efficient way to get everything that we do. Come and join the chat room. We got a lot of new free trials in to check it out for a couple of weeks. Why don't you join them and see if it can help your trading? Maybe we can, and I'd love to meet you and get to know you and try to help you out, because nobody should be trading these markets alone. Okay, have an amazing day. I'll be out with another evening recap tonight. I'll be back with another pre-market webcast tomorrow. Trade them well.